Go have a blast. Hey guys, I'm gonna have a blast today. Oh, it's raining today. Okay, we just lost a lot of points. That's to be expected. I took out a decent amount of furniture. What's up? It's Boots. I buried my favorite thing in the world in D1. D1 is over there. Alright. So we got something buried to find potentially. Could be a pitfall, could be something good. Who knows? It's raining. Gracie's down there. We've located her. That was easy. I gotta like look into whether it's worth shaking this tree. Technically, there's still 2 common furniture items that I need. I did check that yesterday. Right? There's 1 rare, 2 commons, and 4 uncommons. That's what it's looking like at the moment. So if I keep that in mind, then maybe I don't go for the trees every day? If I have all the common items, I feel like maybe it's not worth it. But I guess, like, yes, maybe soon I won't have to worry about that. It's kind of how it's feeling. Which would be nice, because, like, that saves some time. I don't have to mess around with money, which is always nice. Okay, this is B1. Am I going too fast? Okay, that looks like it's not a pitfall, everyone. Cabin bookcase. Couldn't tell you if I need that off the top of my head, but I can check. Cabin bookcase. Let's go. It's new. Now, where does that go? Okay, raffle furniture. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, so I'm still like struggling on this one. I'm not sure how I want this to play out, right? There's less raffle items, there's more red items. Red, I can use sale day raffles. It's like, if you're looking at just the raffle within a year, that's gonna be sorry, I'm just trying to clean my mouse pad here, gee. If you look at the whole year, there are 12 raffles and there's 13 items. Sorry, there's 12 items. Sorry, there's 3 items. I got ahead. I was saying there's 12 months, but I was... Anyway, there are 3 items per raffle, and there are 12 raffles. There you go, 36. Now, how much raffle furniture is there? That number is 37. Obviously, or is it 36? Whatever. It's like, basically, even if you spent a year, you would need to have all unique items to get everything. So, clearly, the raffle stuff's kind of rough. Red, on the other hand, you know, there's like almost 70. But on sale day, you can just keep buying from him. So I feel like I'd rather have raffle items get buried, and then I'd rather just go crazy on sale day. I feel like that makes the most sense. But either way, that's another raffle item down. And we now need 19. We're almost halfway on that. Okay, now. Gracie, she's back. She just can't get enough of the town right now. She was here last week, she was already here this week, and she's back again. Honestly, kind of crazy. And I think she must be Daffy. Or I might be Daffy. I don't know who's Daffy. I wonder how much of that gets picked up on the mic. I feel like it'd be pretty funny. You just hear like random bits of mashing and then... Alrighty, what is this? A citrus shirt. Okay. Okay. Thanks a lot, Gracie. We have the citrus shirt. I didn't scroll over far enough. I was very confused for a second. Yeah, we unfortunately already have the citrus shirt. They can't all be winners. I mean, we've just hit the halfway mark. And hold on, let me I'm gonna drop this here. So I don't have to buy one, even though I should for the ticket, whatever, it doesn't matter. At least for Sahara one day, we obviously don't need either of these. So let's move on to the store. But yeah, last time we got 3 items from Gracie, and that was kind of insane. I didn't think that I would keep going, right? Like, we need 11 out of 29. So if I was to get 3 new ones today, that would be, like, legitimately insane. So I'm not expecting that. But it could happen. That is a Jester shirt. Can you believe it? I do need a bonsai thing, don't I? It's the maple one, though. I need plum. This is probably cheap. This is a hand cart, right? That's also pretty cheap. This is a Congo drum. I don't know if I meant to look at my catalog, but looks good to me. We don't need a bookcase, don't need that, or that. Alright, so that's it for everything in my town. We got a raffle item underground, nothing from the store, and nothing from Gracie yet. Still got 2 more chances. If I don't get anything new today, that's going to be a huge bummer. I really don't want that to be the case. It's May 10th, and we have 9 full tickets. So tomorrow, I'm not going to have a lot of time, so I don't know if turnips will happen, but I have to talk to Tortimer for the lucky phone, lovely phone, that's happening. And then if it's not raining, there will be gyroids, but I don't know if I'll have time for that either, so that could be a Monday thing. It's not like they go anywhere. Mashing didn't feel very strong today, I don't know why. Is that lore about this outfit? Is that one of the sisters? And she sold it to Nook? Is that a thing? Gabby the dog? Okay. Switch it like the last second, man. So close. There's a present. Where's it going? That can get cleaned up later. Gracie's top. Shrine lantern. Don't need the shrine lantern. That is a rare item, I think. Pretty sure we do need Gracie's top, though. We do. We do. Let's go. Okay, that's one new item. Wait, one new top today. Brings us down to 10. That's cool. So, I'm gonna say it now. We got one more to do, and then we're gonna check to see who the next visitor is. I always forget to... I don't always forget, but there's some days where I just literally forget, and I'm like, man, what am I doing? Okay. So, I mean, yeah, I don't know if I actually know which ones I need. I have an idea of which ones I need. Or, actually, no. I just think I knew I needed Gracie's top because it stands out when I look at the list. But the other ones, I couldn't actually tell you. I could tell you which ones I probably have. I should change my main character's outfit sometime soon. It's like I used my starter outfit, and then I used the classic A shirt for a very long time, and now I've been on this purple tie-dye for a while. So I should change it to something else soon. Wait, Daffy? I can do it. I'm done now. I'm not making the joke anymore. My only question. Grape! We have grape, don't we? Do we? We need grape! Grape! Yes! Okay, sick. Sweet! You ask about going on? Strange you should ask. Oh, I knew it! I knew it! The Gracie to red to Gracie pipeline! It's real! It's real! That's a little... Usually I'm on earlier on Monday, so I'd have to adjust for that. Wow, that's actually kind of nuts. And when I say kind of, I mean that's pretty nuts. Kind of nutty, if you ask me. I mean, okay, should I just wrap up or should I catalog them now? Maybe I'll just do it quickly. Maybe. That'd be a good idea. Yeah, I think I'll just do it quickly. If I get this done tomorrow, or now, I won't be tempted to do it tomorrow when I don't have much time. Gotta maximize my time. That's nuts though. 2 new shirts today. That means we need 9 more. Kinda crazy. So Gracie's top. what? Did I not? Seems I've messed up. Okay, so like, Gracie's picks up the grape shirt, but it doesn't have the... I missed putting like an asterisk on it. Oops. There's also the grass shirt underneath it. But that is also Gracie. Okay, whatever. You know what? There you go. Problem solved. Okay, that's done and dealt with now. Now, do I switch to my second character? I think I might real quick, just for fun. Just to put them in the basement. Just so it's all good. I don't have to think about it. We haven't seen, like, Wendell or Sahara in a while, but honestly, I can't really complain. Like, seeing Gracie in red is kind of, like, a higher priority than seeing them. Sahara is obviously lowest priority. Wendell, I don't know, like, what, he didn't give me anything new last time. I only need 4 items from him, so that's, like, a little bit of a but we'll see him again. But, like, if we get Gracie again after the red leaves, that would be disgusting. And I would be all for it, obviously, but... we'll see. Anyway, we're gonna just put these 2 shirts downstairs, and that'll be that. And yeah, once we get some more, like, carpets or wallpaper from Sahara and Wendell, then we can, like, clean up this basement a little bit. We'll just put that there. This can go here. Nice. Alright. There you go. That's our 20. Okay, well, you know, 17 minutes, not too bad. That's gonna be it. So, we got a new raffle item. His boots buried it underground. That's pretty cool. Gracie was here. We got 2 new items from Gracie. Nothing from the store. Honestly, 2 things from Gracie at this point is huge. We only need 9 more. That means we have 20 out of 29. That's pretty nuts. Also, it's May 10th. I started December 10th, so this is the 5-month mark. So, do we go up percent on the completion thing? We're at 71% apparently. Okay, we went up a percent. 71% done in 5 months. Not too shabby. That's what I'm going to say. But yeah, new raffle item, 2 new Gracie items. Pretty huge, and red is showing up on Monday. So tomorrow, it'll be a quick one probably. I don't think I'll be able to buy turnips, but I will get the lovely phone because it's Mother's Day, and that'll be that. Anyway, I'm out. Bye.